McRae here, and I want to talk to you about your email opt-in rate. There are literally dozens and thousands of people talking about their special web form that's going to get you 50% opt-in rate, or this one gets 60% opt-in rate. And then we have customers come to us as SOAD sellers and say, I'm getting 50% opt-in rate. Fact is, you're not. These custom forms and stuff like that, there can be some increases in performance over something that's really cheesy, no doubt about it. But with time, they drop quickly. You may take a brand new form that no one's ever seen and launched it and get a good opt-in rate. There's no doubt about it. But what I find out is the number one thing by far that the average new marketer online can do to increase the number of leads they actually get into their funnel, regardless of where they buy their traffic and regardless of their landing page that they send the traffic to, is to make sure they have their opt-in rate set for single opt-in or non-confirmed. You'd be surprised how many people miss this one single and unbelievably important step. Now, a lot of people have had them argue me, well, I'm growing a quality list. Well, la-di-da, you're wasting money. You'll lose 60, 75% of the people that opt into your list will never confirm to your email when you send them a confirmation email. You'll never get that double opt-in. And there's a number of reasons. A, they're just curious. B, they don't know who you are. And C, it's just too complicated. You add another step in. If you want to capture opt-ins, make sure your autoresponder and your web forms are set up to single opt-in. Now, the vast majority of people use either GetResponse or Aweber. I'm going to log into a brand new Aweber account I just started in the last month and show you how to configure it as single opt-in. Okay, this is a new Aweber account I just started in, I think, the last 30 or 40 days. And it's not huge. I don't have that many leads into it. I'm testing out a CPA product I just launched. And you can see I'm bringing in 40, 50 leads a day. It's for a CPA product I just launched. And I got some other traffic going to it. All in all, I've gotten maybe 19 orders, it says right there, for the CPA product off of 650 people that subscribe. So that's actually a decent conversion rate. But what I want to show you here is how to make sure your list is single opt-in. Okay. Here you can pick which list you want to work on. I'm just going to use this one right here. It's a new one I'm playing with. Go to Manage List. Okay. I'm going to pick the Home Business Training list. Click on that. Go down to where it says Confirmation Email. Make sure this is off. Now, the reason why the confirmation email is a critical thing here to turn off, because what that does is it turns your form from a double opt-in, where a confirmation must be clicked, to a single opt-in, where no confirmation is required. Now, I realize a lot of people are going, well, I'm going to get in trouble with the autoresponder because my leads. Here's the way it works. If somebody puts in a fake email address, it's going to bounce. It's going to get removed from your database anyway. If somebody is curious, then they're going to, be able to opt in and see what's on the other side of your landing page, and they'll be on your list. Now, here's the thing. It's important. If you send them emails, they need to know who's going to be sending them emails, because otherwise they'll think you're just spam, because here comes this crazy email in. So your from email, you'll notice on all my web forms, and I'll share some with you soon, it will proudly say my name, Bill McRae. So they know to expect emails from Bill McRae. Or maybe it's my business name. I've got multiple businesses. So this is the single most important thing you can do. Now, you're afraid about losing your autoresponder account? I bring people in and I run them through a sequence. So let me just show you what a sequence is. I'll just bring up my CPA product here. And I'll go to follow-up series. I don't broadcast. I've done one broadcast, I should say. But a follow-up series is a series of emails that go out to this list. And you can see here I've got, this is not fully developed. I think I've got like 16 or 17, 18, 19, 23 emails already set up. And when somebody opts into this list, they're going to go through the sequence email. They do that. I skip a day here and there, and I try to make it look fairly random. But I find that you want to make sure that you're fairly consistent. And in every one of them, it's from Bill McRae, and there's an opt-out message in there. And if they don't want to be on my list, they're encouraged to opt out. I have no problem with that. If they are on my list, they're going to get an email every day, and they'll get used to seeing my name. There's going to be videos I give them. There's going to be training in every email that goes out. So that's not just all about me, it's about them as well, which is the important thing you want to do. If you want to condition your list members to think, well, this guy's just trying to make money from you, right? That's what they're going to think. But if you always include maybe a video that's at the end of the email, it's a training video, or I make mine pre-sell. It's a YouTube video that has useful but incomplete information, so it's pre-selling whatever product I'm selling. But people perceive it as training, free information. Then you can start winning these clients over. Anyway, the number one way to make sure you have clients to deliver emails to is to be single opt-in. Don't waste your money buying traffic. Don't think you're better than the world by being double opt-in. You're not. You're just wasting money. Have a great day.